Welcome to another episode of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. This is again a short video and you'll learn a practical and interesting phrase that you can use in your conversations. In order to get fluent in a language, you need to have a varied approach, and that is what you're doing now. But just not a phrase, you'll also learn some vocabularies out of the phrase. It will be impressive to add this phrase to your conversation. A swelling compatible with the finger. That is not easy for you to guess. I will explain the meaning shortly, and now let us see the actual Tamil phrase. Veralukketha veekom. You could try repeating it. Veralukketha veekom. This just means one's suffering, especially financial liability or overdue, should be proportionate to one's affordability or capacity. Let us see a short phrase. Imagine you plan to purchase a house and the agent says you have an add-on of maintenance fees, community monthly entertainment charges, this and that, and you say hesitantly, well then I have to reconsider. We could only bear the swelling compatible with the finger. Veralukketha veekom thaan engalaliyum thaanga mudiyum. Here means you can go a little extra on your spendings, but there's a limit. There was an occasion when I heard it first as I was young. It was when a music event manager was telling the musician, we would like you to do a performance every year, but please also consider Veralukketha veekom thaan engalala mudiyum. That means we have a budget and we can only stretch it reasonably. These are impressive phrases. You can add it to your phrase list, use it, and it will stay in your mind. Look at the image, and probably the CEO is telling that to the employees on company expenses. Okay? We could bear the swelling compatible with the finger only. Veralukketha, that is suitable to the finger, and that is two words. Veralukku for the finger, etha suitable or fitting. Veekom thaan swelling indeed. Engalaliyum means even we. That is, you are stressing on we. Thaanga mudiyum, we could bear or tolerate. Veralukketha veekom thaan engalaliyum thaanga mudiyum. So go on to use it. There's a Starbucks in your neighborhood and your friend wants to go drink coffee with you daily. You can say, Veralukketha veekom veno. We need a swelling related to the finger. We can have the corner shop 15 rupees coffee, not the Starbucks 250 rupees coffee. Now you get the phrase. Now, etha means compatible. Suitable person for our Sarala. Nama Sarala ki etha aalu. Sarala is her name, and we are talking about probably the group. We also can use it sarcastically. Just imagine the girl is very talkative and she has a daughter who also argues with her. We can say Sarala ki etha ponnu. Before seeing a few more words and phrases, for those of you new to this channel, check the Instagram, FB, and 137 videos in YouTube. They have different type of videos. You can check the description for more information. Viral is actually finger, but in Tamil you have to be specific as Kai viral meaning finger and Kal viral meaning toe. Now we have learned two other words. Veralukketha veekom, and veekom means swelling. But when you wish to use it in a sentence, let us see two small phrases. Finger is swollen. Kai viral வீங்கி இருக்கு. You can just say viral if the context is clear, unless you are conveying over phone. Toe was swollen. கால் விரல் வீங்கி இருந்தது. That is past tense. So that was an easy video. You learned an easy and useful phrase and also some words from it. That is all for now. Use masks, wash hands, social distancing, keep safe, keep others safe, take care and take extra care.